It was a perfect run, too.
Off to the side, it's wonky.
No, it looked good to me.
Oh my god! What happened there? What was that all about? I made it smaller. No, that's right. It's after it backs up, right? It's after the backup. There's the turn.
That's a tweaking every time.
I wanted to do a line follow.
There's a turn right on this one.
That's good. This one looks good.
Turn. Turn. Oh! And that drops.
No way this turn is gonna make it. Come on, more! FRP.
I mean, there's no disadvantage to just driving the whole loop, other than you have to navigate by these connections.
Right? Yeah. Depends on the end of it comes in. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Turn! Turn! I don't know if... Oh! There we go. Lost a bunch on the last turn.